Hey guys, good morning. Back at it again. It's about like 6:45 in the morning. Back on this water pump thermostat on this '05 DURAMAX LLY. Let me go ahead and get that going again. I stopped last night. It was about like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Very busy all the time, guys. Always inquiring for repairs, some kind of check, some kind of diagnosis. So my days are usually very busy. Not only that, I have three kids that I got to attend to here. My wife goes to work, so I have to take care of it myself. So let me go ahead and get started, guys, and we're gonna get this going again. Let me show you guys what needs to be done still and where we're at on it. Here we go, you guys. So back at it again, you guys. Here we are. We already got the belt off, everything off. Remember, this pulley right here is no good. You can hear it. That's ugly, you guys. The thing's about to seize up. Tensioner pulley is also not doing the best. But so the remaining steps, you guys, we're gonna end up removing the battery tray so we can remove the PCM, the powertrain control module, or the computer for the engine. We're gonna go ahead and move that. There's bolts underneath. These two bolts right here hold that bracket. We're gonna remove it so we can get it out of the way. But prior to that, we're also gonna move the driver's side, hot side boost hose, because that's in the way. It's going to be in the way when we try to remove the water pump housing. The engine oil cooler runs along the side right here of the engine, and these things are going to be in the way. They're going to make it hard to do the repair. Now, a lot of guys try to cut, and I wouldn't say cut corners, but they try to make it quote unquote easy by, oh, don't remove this, don't remove that. Hey guys, in a repair, it isn't just speed, guys. It's about quality. Okay, yeah, you try to make it as fast as you can, but there's no sense of being in a hurry or trying to be the fastest one at it if it's going to come out wrong. That's something I've learned over my 22 years of experience as a mechanic. Again, I've been a mechanic for 22 years. I was in the Army as a 63 Echo, M1A1 Abrams technician. They had turbine engines, the GE 900. I used to fix those. Didn't really pursue it that much further. I went into diesel. So here you go, you guys. Let me go ahead and get back at it. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the upper radiator hose along with the thermostat housing. We're going to start removing the air conditioning compressor. We're going to get that computer out of the way. We're going to remove the hot side, driver side boost hose. And obviously this power steering pump is going to have to get removed too as well, guys. So let me go ahead and jump on it, and let me get back on this repair. This guy's on my butt to get it done because he needs his truck. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.